Hello, my channel. Today, a recipe for instant cold cheesecake with jelly and fruit. As always, at the beginning, I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel. Remember to click the bell and you will be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of the necessary ingredients. You can find the same list in the description below the video. I whip it until stiff. Then, I add 2 pounds of cottage cheese from a bucket. I add it 1 spoonful at a time while mixing. Then, I pour in 2 lemon jello packets dissolved in 8 1/3 ounces of water. Remember, the jello must not be hot or warm. It should be cooled down but still liquid. You can also use crystal jello. Pour the whole thing into the cheese mixture. Mix a while just until the ingredients combine. I lined a 10 by 10 inch baking tray with baking paper. I put round sponge cakes on the bottom. You can also use biscuits. I put the cheese mixture on top and spread it. Then I put it in the fridge to cool so that it's slightly It has set, so we can pour out the jelly and put it in the fridge. The mass has already set for me, so I prepare the fruit. I have 250 grams of frozen blueberries. They can of course also be fresh. There can also be other fruits, and I have 2 strawberry jellies dissolved in 800 milliliters of boiling water. When my jelly has cooled down, I add frozen fruit to it. Thanks to this, the jelly sets faster. I also prepared 300 grams of fresh strawberries. Now pour the jelly over the cheesecake. Remember, this cheese base must be slightly cooled down so that everything does not merge, or so that the jelly does not absorb into the cheese, because then this cake will not turn out. And this prepared cake we put to set in the fridge for a few hours, preferably overnight. As you can see, the preparation is fast. If the cheese mass is not too sweet after mixing with the jelly, you can still sweeten it a bit to taste. As you can see, the recipe is very simple, so prepare, comment. Of course, I am inviting you to watch my next recipes. Best regards.